In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on a Slack video call. Whether you're aiming for a more professional appearance or just want to add a bit of fun to your meetings, this guide will have you setting up a custom background in no time. So, let's dive right in. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of Slack installed on your device. It's important to keep your apps up to date to access all the latest features. If you don't have the latest version, head over to your App Store and update Slack before proceeding. Once that's done, open the Slack application and navigate to the workspace where you want to make your video call. It's important to be in the right workspace because each workspace could have its own settings and access permissions. Now look for the channel or person you want to start a video call with. Once you've found them, click on the call icon at the top right corner of the conversation window. For a Slack call, this icon typically looks like a small camera or phone. This will initiate the video call with the selected person or group. As soon as the call connects and you can see yourself on the screen, it's time to look for the background options. During the call, move your cursor so that the on-screen controls appear. You should see a few options related to the video settings. Click on the video settings icon, which usually resembles a small gear or a video camera with an arrow beneath it. A menu will pop up showing you various settings you can adjust for your video call. We're interested in the background section here, so go ahead and click on Choose Background. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of available virtual backgrounds to choose from. If you have a specific image in mind, look for an Add Image button. Clicking this will let you upload a custom image from your device. Make sure your chosen image is appropriate and reflects your intent, whether professional or quirky. Once you've selected a background or uploaded your custom image, you'll instantly see the change in your video feed. This way, you can ensure that everything looks just the way you want before you proceed with the call. If you're not satisfied with your background choice, you can always go back to the menu and select a different image. To wrap things up, it's important to note that changing your background might require more computer resources. If you notice any lag or performance issues, make sure your device meets the necessary requirements for running these features smoothly. And there you have it. You're now ready to host video calls with a new, personalized backdrop on Slack. Thanks for watching and happy video calling.